Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are gonna see how to create a game using scratchJr. We have already seen how to create an animated story in the last video. So we'll see how to create a game using this scratchJr. So click on this home button to get into scratchJr, and here I'm going to add a new project. So click on this add button. Clicking on this add button, we could see we could have created a new project. So I'm going to create a dinosaur game. So I don't want this sprite in my project. So tap and hold to delete this sprite. Click on this add button to add new characters or new sprites to our project. So I have already made this dinosaur, but I'll show you how to create this dinosaur now. So click on this empty tool which is called as character and click on this edit button so that we can draw a dinosaur here. Click on the square tool and draw the square as a rectangle. Again click on it and draw this head part. So I have drawn this head part now. I want hands and legs for this dinosaur. So I'll do this with this curved lines. And I want eyes for my dinosaur, which I'll make some dot like this. So we can fill in some color with here so that it looks like a dinosaur. So click on this fill color and click the color you want. I'll fill in the dinosaur with this green color. So our sprite has been created so that now we can add it to our project. Click on the stick button to add it to our project. So we have added our dinosaur. So next we'll create a backdrop. So click on this and click on this background, plain background, so that we can create a new background now. So click on this blue color and click on the square tool. Drag as much so that you can fill this workspace and fill in with this blue color inside. Next, for the bottom, we'll fill with yellow. Again, select this square tool and drag it. Fill in with this yellow color. So our backdrop has been ready. So click on the stick button to add it to our project. Okay, let us add some clouds to our backdrop so that select this cloud, click on tick button. Place this cloud at the relevant position. We'll add another cloud. We can draw this cloud also in the backdrop, but I have just added this cloud as a sprite. Then we'll need a cactus. So from the sprite list, we'll select a cactus. Click on the tick button to add it to our project. So, but this cactus looks too big and a dinosaur looks too small. So we'll reduce or shrink the size of this cactus now. Click on this cactus and we could see that this is grow and this is shrink. So we want to shrink this cactus now. So let us add this to this and click on it once. Click on it twice until the cactus become smaller as you wish. So I have clicked 2 months. Okay. So I'll fix this as the size of my cactus. Okay. So I'll place this cactus away from the dinosaur. Okay. So let us add some animations to our sprites now. So first we'll include animation for our cloud. The cloud has to move on a loop whenever it executes, whenever we execute this project. So we'll add motion block for moving forward and it should happen in a loop. So we'll add this. So when clicking on this, we could see that the cloud moves on a loop. So I'll stop. The same thing we'll add it to the next cloud. Just drag this and place it here. We'll get the same blocks pasted here in the same cloud. Okay. So if I run it, okay. So we could see that the cloud has started moving. Now. So let's do the next animation part. We'll work with this cactus now. So click on this cactus. The cactus should move left. So click on this motion block and add this left motion block to this, and it should happen on a loop. So we'll add this too. So click on this execute. We can see that the cactus moves on left on a loop. Okay, we'll stop it. Now we'll add motion to our dinosaur. The dinosaur should actually jump, and when it sees cactus, it should jump, and it should move to the next part. If it touches the cactus, it the game will be over. So let us add that into our project. Click on the dinosaur, and we are going to add motion blocks of jumping. So for jumping, we'll add this. So change the number of steps to jump. Let us keep it as 5. The next what we should do is add some speed to our dinosaur. So before that, we'll add this and we'll add speed to our uh, dinosaur. For that, this is the speed setting block. So click on this. So for jumping, we'll add this. So if I select, you could see that whenever I click on this, the dinosaur jumps. So let us work now. Okay. So you could see that whenever I click this, my dinosaur jumps. So the basic layout of the game has been created now. Now we have to create, when we touch this cactus, the game should be stopped. So for that, what we should do is first we'll stop it. Okay. Uh, we'll add another screen to our project. and delete this sprite. Add some backdrop to the next screen. So we'll select this, click on edit. So we'll add a backdrop to the second screen. So I'll select this backdrop, click on the tick button to add it to our project, and it should display the game has been entered. So we'll type in game over. We can add color to the text. So we'll select this red. We can change the size of the text by clicking this and we could change the size of the text. So place it in a position where it should be. So we have created all the basic layouts of the game. Now, if the dinosaur touches the cactus, the game should end. So for that, in the cactus part, let us add this touch block. And when it touches the cactus, it should go to the second screen, game over. So add this scene 2 to this touch block. So now when I execute it, you could see that whenever the dinosaur touches the cactus, this scene comes to us. Okay, so now let us play and see this game. Okay, now let us play this game. Move this cactus here. So whenever we touch this blocks, the dinosaur will jump. Okay. You could see that the dinosaur jumps, but it touches the cactus so that we get this second scene, game over. So let us play again. Move this cactus. So we have created a game using scratchJr. Thank you, friends. You also create your own game and be entertained. Thank you.